Morning guys, Andy here. Hope you're well, hope you had a nice evening. So today I kind of got up a little bit earlier than normal, so I was watching a little bit of TV, and as you know, like early hours of the morning, there really isn't much to watch, apart from those kind of salespeople selling you products that you don't want to buy. Really there's not a lot going on, so I was just kind of flicking around and I came across the Motorway Patrol, or whatever it was called. So I thought, well, alright, okay, I'll just kind of, stick this on for 10 minutes before I go and get ready to go into the office. And they were kind of showing a helicopter crashing onto the motorway. And why am I talking about this? Well, basically, I started thinking about this because I was kind of watching the process of basically analysing what had happened. And partly what they were saying is like, they don't move any of the parts until they've done a full investigation. So they corner that area off and then they literally are studying every little thing to see what went wrong, what happened, what might have caused the helicopter to crash down. And I was kind of thinking about this and I was thinking, well, isn't it the same as what you should be doing in your trading? Because think about it like this. If you have a losing trade or some losing trades, and you basically, what you're basically doing, most of you probably, is desperately trying to get into the next trade. Whereas actually if you kind of took the same approach as as that example, well, what you should be doing is actually avoiding taking a trade and actually going and studying your trade and seeing what might have gone wrong with your trade. Why did it fail? Was it something you did, or was it just part of the sort of probabilities that it would fail sometimes? So it's interesting that the natural human tendency is like, let me get into another trade, but that's like the equivalent of basically, let's just jump into the helicopter again, okay, without kind of trying to learn from that experience, okay, and then just crashing again. So I thought it was quite a fascinating thing. I thought, well, it's quite interesting, despite being nothing to watch and putting this kind of what I'd probably never watch in a million years and during normal hours. But I thought, well, I'll just stick it on. And it just got me thinking. Well, you really should approach your trading in exactly the same way. So when you have, a journal, you can go back and do this. And this is why it's really, really important that you keep a nice journal, understanding why you took the trade, and then going back and studying it and learning from it so that you can improve. Otherwise, you're just going to kind of keep doing the same mistakes over and over again and never realizing why you're not being successful at trading. Alright guys, well, hope that helps. Have a good day, good trading. See you soon. Bye bye.